Hello, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1. So, do you work or study?
I am a professional and I am a founder of my company named Ignite Industry Student, and I am a machine learning programmer.
All right. What do you like about your job?
I like to analyze and to solve the problem which we take in daily life or in professional work, and it's a challenging thing, but it's I like the most of solving the problems.
Do you have to get up early in the morning to reach your workplace on time?
Yes, most of the time I schedule and set up my alarms for get up early to get
For getting up early.
for getting up early and to reach on time.
Okay, but still you haven't answered my question.
Okay.
All right, just focus the question. If I write anything here, don't be confused.
Okay, sir.
It's only for me to tell you later about it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's go on. What do you do after work? How do you relax yourself after your job?
I after work I will I was going I am going to home and taking my dinner and give some time to my family. Later on, before sleeping, I am.
My question is in present indefinite, present simple, and your answer is in present continuous. It should not happen. The tense of question and the answer in which you answer, the tense of the answer, they must be the same. Okay? So, do you think you have enough free time?
No, because there is a hectic routine from 10 to 8, so it's not to have some time for the for my personal life. So I don't think so.
Okay.
that I
Do you
got
prefer to
enough
spend your free times with your friends or family?
Yeah, I like to spend my time my free time to my friends and family, because it take me to get more closer with my friends and family and my loved ones.
It takes me.
Okay.
It takes me closer. But the best one is it brings me closer to my friends and family. So you need to focus your grammar as well, right? Okay. Do you listen to music?
Yes, when I want to swing my mood, so I'll rarely or often listen
This
music.
is a very short answer. Do you listen to music? Yes, when I want to change my mood. In order to change my mood, sometimes I listen to music, but that is not very regular because I have other things. So I hardly listen to music. Complete answer.
Okay, sir.
Again, short answers might irritate the examiner,
Okay,
right?
sir.
Okay, let's move on. Do you often eat out?
Yeah, when my friends try to get plan out for to go out, so
Try to get plan out to go out. Grammatically, it's not correct. So you should focus sentence structure: subject, verb, object. Proper subject, verb, and object. Okay, because if you communicate in words, gradually the band will decrease. So the way you are speaking, if we go through IELTS speaking band descriptors, it's going to be band score 5, right? So you should focus your sentence structure as well. One last question. Do you prefer to spend your free time doing something or relaxing?
I like to do my those things which I got having in my busy schedule or routine. So I like to do those things even to get free or relax in my leisure time.
Good. So it's grammar and ideas. I will call it content. These are the things you need to improve your
Okay, sir.
speaking, right?
Okay, sir.
Thank you. All the best.